What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Len Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We have been seeing blood in the market for the last 3 days. Bitcoin is currently at 33,000, Ethereum at 2,200. ADA, Cardano, that actually had a mad pump last week, is actually down to less than $1. XRP is currently at 56 cents. We'll be taking a look at all other coins and where we're expecting the bottom to come in. Will there be any pump? Is the bull market over? Will the retracement come in? We're talking about all of that in this video, guys. You can see in the market right here, the market is really down. A lot of coins are down 25%. Some are down 49, 50%. We'll be taking a look at all of that and what this means for the general crypto market. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
So guys, starting off today's video, we're going to be looking at total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap right now, the point of recording of this video is at $1.5 trillion. Guys, for context sake, November when Bitcoin was topping at 69,000, the total crypto market cap was actually $3 trillion. So we've actually lost $1.5 trillion from the total crypto market cap. Bitcoin was at 69K then. Now Bitcoin is currently at 33,000. We're expecting it to actually hold. If it doesn't hold, then we'll probably go to like 28, 30,000. That might be where we'll find support. We'll be talking about that later in the video. We'll be looking at the charts. But in the last 7 days, guys, Bitcoin has actually lost 21% of its value. Ethereum has lost 31% of its value in the last 7 days. And Ethereum is currently trading for 2,200. The question you might be wondering, you might be asking yourself, are we in the bear market? You might go to Twitter, you might go online, and you're seeing people spreading forth, telling you we're in the bear market, the bull run is over, everything is crashing to zero. I have good news for you guys. Everything is not actually going to zero, but technically we're in the bear market, even though we're expecting retracement to come in. Guys, this is very, very technical at some point, but the Bitcoin bull run is actually over. I don't think Bitcoin is going to see higher prices. Not anytime soon, maybe in the next 7 or 8 months. But at the same time, I believe we're going to be seeing higher prices on altcoins. I'll be showing you what I saw in the chart and how it explains this phenomenon. But guys, the market is not smiling. Almost everybody is down except you are in stables. Some people are in stables since November and they are waiting for this dip. This is actually a very, very good time to buy. Solana, that was as high as $260 in November. Guess what? It's currently trading at $85. Terra Luna got to $100, currently trading for $63, and on and on and on. The whole market is in disarray, guys. Looking at the Bitcoin price chart, guys, you can currently see that just today alone, Bitcoin has lost 2,400 out of its value. Guys, looking at the price chart, you can see right here that Bitcoin is actually reaching support. If we get to around 28, 29, 30,000, that will be where we got to in May before we pumped. Guys, looking over here, you can see we really have a red in the market. Just today, a lot of coins are down 15%. Some of them are down 12, 10%. So there's a bloodbath in the market. There's a lot of selling. And this selling is not due to liquidation. Most times that we have crashes on Bitcoin like this, it's always liquidation. They're liquidating people. So many people are selling their positions. But right now, people are afraid. You may be wondering, why are they scared? Why are they selling all their assets? Because the Federal Reserve in the US say they are going to be increasing interest rates. And anytime they increase interest rates, you know that means prices of stocks and crypto and every other thing that is risk on is going to reduce. Now, the funny thing is that the Fed have been pumping money into the system. That means they have been providing liquidity since the COVID-19 crash. Since then, they have been pumping money into the system. We have been seeing rises in price of stocks, crypto, and what have you not, real estate. But right now, the Fed said they are going to be reducing those money they have been pumping into the system. So because of that, people started getting scared in November. And since then, guys, we have been in fear. Now, the problem is that the Fed is going to actually have some meeting this week. I don't know, 1 or 2 meetings to tell us whether they are going to increase the rate or not. And my question is, why are people selling if the Fed have not actually increased the rates? Now, people are scared the Fed might increase the rate, but at the rate which everything is crashing, I don't think they'll be increasing the rates anytime soon, because they don't want the whole economy to just go down up in flames. Because at this point in time, the very, very important point where we are now, if they actually increase the rates, I think we'll crash. But somebody said something that was very important. If everybody's expecting something, guys, guess what? The opposite of what everybody's expecting will happen. So what might be funny is that they might actually increase the rates and we'll just start pumping to the moon. Now, I'm wondering, why am I so optimistic that we're going to go to the moon? The market's red, everywhere is crashing. We have not had a really, really long green dildo in a very, very long time. Guys, it's because of what I'm seeing in the price chart. Bitcoin has actually been crashing since November 10th when it topped at 69,000, and right now Bitcoin is down 52%. You might be wondering, why am I optimistic if this is normal for Bitcoin? Guys, at some point in time, Bitcoin will have to enter its retracement. If you are watching my previous video, I've been calling for Bitcoin to retrace. At some point in time, I believe Bitcoin is going to retrace. Nothing goes back, nothing goes down in a straight line. It doesn't go down to, it will not just go down to zero. At some point in time, I'm expecting Bitcoin to come down to, it should go back up to this 58,000, 60k region, and then people will think the bull run is back on, and then we'll have a final crash. You might be wondering, why am I optimistic like that? Why am I optimistic that retracement will come in? Guys, because history always repeats itself. You might be saying this time is different, but this time is not different, guys. Go back to Bitcoin. Since the inception of Bitcoin, Bitcoin has always crashed, and guess what? It has always risen. In November 2018, Bitcoin had a mad crash from $6,000 down to $3,000, and that's when we started our mad pump. It took us back to 12,000. If there's anything I've known from studying the Bitcoin price chart over and over and over again, is that after every crash, it might look like the end is coming, Bitcoin is going to zero, we are going to pump back. At some point in time, all the people that are selling their position will get tired of selling. All we'll have is just buyers. Right now, we have so much sellers. We have more sellers than buyers. That's why the prices are crashing. Many people are selling because they can't stomach this 50% drawdown. Many people are selling right now. They're like, you know what, I want to sell. I can't continue holding. I've been losing all my money. And guys, these are where legends are made. The people that buy in this blood, the people that buy the blood in this time, when we go back to the pump, they'll be the ones that will make the whole profit. Now, if you have been holding since the top, you have been holding, expecting higher prices, this is not, I'm not making financial advice right here, but this is not the best time to sell. You're already down, right? So why are you selling? You're selling for what? Because you don't want to continue going down. You might as well just stomach it and get away with it. And if you have money on the sidelines, guys, this will be the best time to buy. We always say this on this channel: buy red candles and sell green candles. And this is a very long candle. Now, I'm not saying you should just carry all your stables and just buy because it's going down. You want to ladder in. That means you want to be buying it slowly and slowly. In case we continue going down, you can get better prices. If we continue going up, at least you know the bottom is in and you can ladder in slowly. Guys, the sentiment in the market is actually really trash. The sentiment at this point in time, we're in extreme fear. There's no extreme fear on the chart, but we're in extreme fear because yesterday the chart was showing us that we're 11, today we're in 13. Guys, tomorrow we'll probably see less than 10 on the greed and fear sentiment bar, because right now everybody and anybody that has crypto is selling. People believe we're in the bear market. Everybody's saying we're going down to zero. The bears are happy. They are euphoric. They have been calling for Bitcoin to actually crash things, and they're finally happy. We broke 40k. Right now we're actually at 33k. People are calling for 20k for us to go back to the previous all-time high. I don't think we'll go back to 20k. Guys, very important. Don't forget Michael Saylor. His buying point is actually a line in the sand. Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, Square, all those guys bought around the 30k region. So if we can actually hold 30k, I believe we'll see a pump. But if we cannot hold 30k, guys, I'm sorry, we might continue dumping. Now, Ethereum is another crypto, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It has actually been dumping faster than BTC. Ethereum has actually been dumping like BTC, but at this rate, Ethereum is going harder than BTC. And what's surprising about Ethereum is that Ethereum actually had its own retracement before it started crashing. So Ethereum actually topped in November 8, 2021, the same day Bitcoin topped. But what's funny about Ethereum is that Ethereum actually retraced to 702. It faked out as if it's going to break its all-time high. People got sucked in and boom, the crash started happening. And since then, guys, Ethereum is actually down over 53%. Now it might not look as much because Bitcoin is 52%, Ethereum is down 53% since when it retraced. But guys, this is really huge. Imagine you having 10 Ethereums, you are actually down over 50%. A lot of coins are having down worse than this Bitcoin and Ethereum. But now I'm expecting a little retracement in Bitcoin and Ethereum too. I'm not expecting the market to just go down to zero. Guys, nothing go down to zero. We can't just start going straight down to zero. At some point in time, we'll have to retrace. Remember back in May when we crashed, we actually crashed. Ethereum crashed from 4,300. It went down to 1,700. What actually happened after that? Ethereum had a retracement that took it back to over 3,900. So at this point in time, all I'm going to just do is wait and wait for that retracement. Now the next chart will be checking, guys, here. The next chart I'm going to be using to give you guys more hope and more assurance that this market might reverse on itself is the XRP and Bitcoin price chart. Now, on top here, we have the Bitcoin price chart in inverse. Shout out to BC Baka. He has been calling this since 53K, telling us what the charts will do. And guess what? The chart is playing according to plan. Now, this was when XRP actually crashed in 2020 after the SEC dropped the lawsuit. XRP had a mad crash. And BC Baka then was actually telling us the bottom is not in Y. He was like, bottoming structures, you're going to see them come like this. They'll set a new low, then they'll fake out as if they're going to pump, and then they'll set their original low. Then they'll come back to this region where the first set, they faked people out. They will come back to that region, and then they will retrace. And that's what we're going to see Bitcoin actually do. Bitcoin had the mad crash. Everybody thought this was the bottom. Now, on the inverse chart, now it's showing us that when I'm saying Bitcoin had a mad crash, Bitcoin actually pumped. Then it had the fake out to 29,000. That was during May. Then we now came and set the real all-time high. Bitcoin was supposed to go 69K all along, but it faked people out at 64K. People thought the crash was happening. Then Bitcoin went 29K. Then it came down and set its new all-time high. Then according to this chart, Bitcoin is supposed to go back to that 28-30K region. That's what XRP did when XRP was crashing, and that's where Bitcoin is actually at right now, in that 28-30K region. And if Bitcoin is going to do exactly what XRP did during that time, we're expecting Bitcoin to have a long retracement. Guys, you can see as I'm drawing the retracement bar, you can see that the price of Bitcoin is going up. And after that, then the bear market will really officially start. That's when people get sucked in, thinking, oh, we're going to the moon, this time is different. And then we realize that this time is not actually different. Guys, the next chart will be checking is actually the total crypto market cap. We actually lost 3 trillion. We were hoping we'll hold at 2.5 trillion. We lost that again, and right now we're on 1.5 trillion. I'm expecting the total crypto market cap to actually hold at almost at 1 trillion. I don't think we'll go that low, guys. I don't think the total crypto market cap will go as low as 1 trillion. But right now, we're at 1.5 trillion. For total crypto market cap to go to 1 trillion, we have to lose another 50%. Damn! We're going down and down and down. I don't think we'll go that down. But you can see the chart is even resembling Bitcoin price chart, because Bitcoin leads this market. If Bitcoin is pumping, everything is pumping. If Bitcoin is dumping, everything is dumping. Guys, and the last chart we'll be checking before I sign out in this video, before you get more updates from me, follow me on Twitter, Mr. Legend Crypto, on YouTube, Mr. Legend Crypto, on Facebook, Mr. Legend Crypto, is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this chart is showing us all the other market caps of all the other cryptos minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. We agree that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two largest crypto market cap, and to some extent they influence the chart. But we can see on the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is playing out the same way Bitcoin is playing out. It's actually crashing. We actually lost support at over $700 billion, and right now we're at $600 billion, and the next support we might be hoping it holds, it's at over 500 billion. If you can hold 500 billion, then the retracement will come in and go and set new all-time high, and Altseason being upon us. Guys, I still believe Altseason is coming. If you believe, continue hodling, and if you are scared, guys, it's not wrong to sell. If you are still in profit on some of your coins, you can actually sell, bro. There's no anybody holding you from selling. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more updates from me, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. See you guys next time. Bye.